Computer basics. This course is for people who are brand new to using a computer. It is also great for people who have some knowledge but just want to fill in some gaps. By the end of this course, you will be able to understand the definition of computer, identify the main functions of computer, identify and differentiate input and output devices, recognize internal and external parts of computer for both desktop and laptop, understand the components of computer, classify the computer according to either size and power or functions they perform, identify the characteristics of computer. Finally, you will be able to understand the reasons why you need computer knowledge. Before we go further, please support our class by subscribing, like, and share. And if you have any idea, please don't hesitate to share it in the comment section. What is computer? Computers are all around us, from laptop computers, desktop computers, smartphones to smartwatches. They changed the way we lived our lives. But have you ever asked yourself what exactly is a computer? Computer is an electronic device capable of receiving raw facts as data through input devices, process the data based on special computer instructions, store the information, and produce desired output using output devices as information. Main functions of computer. Computer play many different functions. The main of them are the following. Input is receiving data from input devices, example, from keyboard or mouse. Processing function is working on data using the CPU, Central Processing Unit. Storage, saving data temporarily using RAM or permanently using hard disk drive or SSD. Output function is showing results using output devices, example, monitor, screen, or printer. Control function is managing how data moves and how tasks are carried out. Input and output devices. Input devices are hardware components used to enter data or commands into a computer. They allow users to communicate with the computer. Examples: keyboard for typing, mouse for pointing and clicking, scanner for converting physical document into digital format, microphone for capturing audio, webcam for capturing video or images. Output devices are hardware components used for receiving and displaying or deliver results from the computer. Example, monitor is for displaying video and user interface. Printer, they produce a hard copy of documents. Speaker, produce output sound. Projector, used for displaying output on a larger screen. Internal and external parts of computer. External parts of computer. The following are the external parts of laptop computer. On laptop computers, we have the following external parts: webcam, display screen, speaker, keyboard, touchpad, armrest, computer case, ports, and power button. For the desktop computer, we have the following external part: system unit, screen, monitor, speaker, microphone, mouse, keyboard, and others. Internal parts of computer. The following are the internal parts for laptop computers: motherboard, HDD or hard disk drive or SSD solid state drive, RAM, battery, CMOS battery, CPU or central processing unit, graphics processing unit or GPU, cooling fans, Wi-Fi or Bluetooth cards, and others. The following are internal parts of desktop computers. We have motherboard, HDD or hard disk drive or SSD solid state drive, RAM or random access memory, CPU or central processing unit, expansion slot, cooling fan, power supply, and many others. Components of computer. Components of computer composed by hardware components. Those are physical parts of computer that you can see and touch. Software components. Those are programs and instructions that tells the hardware what to do. In hardware components, we have input devices, are devices used to enter data into computer. In input devices, we have keyboard, mouse, scanner, microphone, webcam, and others. We also have output devices. Output devices are devices used to display or produce results from the computer. In output devices, we have monitor, printer, speakers, and projectors. In hardware components also we have system unity or central unity. The system unity or central unity contains the core components of computer. In them, we have motherboard. Motherboard is the main circuit board that connects all parts of computer. CPU is a central processing unit. It acts as the brain of computer. RAM, random access memory, is temporary memory for active tasks. Hard disk drive or solid state drive. They are a permanent storage for data and software. Power supply unit. This converts electricity for the system. Cooling fans. It prevents overheating. Storage devices. In storage devices, we have hard disk drive, solid state drive, flash drives or USB sticks, memory cards, and others. Lastly, we have communication devices. Those are devices used for networking. In them, we have modem, network interface card, NIC, or Wi-Fi adapters. Software components. In software components, we have system software. In system software, we have operating system, which is the system that manages hardware and software. Example is Windows, MacOS, or Linux. It also contains utility programs. Those are programs that helps to maintain the computer. Example, antivirus, file managers, and other. We have also application software. Those are programs used by user for specific tasks. Example, Microsoft Word, web browsers, games, and others. We also have programming softwares. Those are tools used by developers to create applications. Example, Python, Java, C++, compilers, and so on. Classifications of computer. Computers are classified according to either size and power or function. Classification of computer according to their size and power. By classifying a computer according to their size and power, we have 4 classifications: microcomputer or personal computer, mini computer, mainframe computer, or supercomputer. Let's start with supercomputer. Supercomputers are the fastest, largest, and most expensive and powerful computer available. They are able to perform many complex operations in fractions of seconds. Supercomputers are mainly used for scientific research, which require enormous calculations. Some of the applications that just use the supercomputers include aerodynamic design and simulation, petroleum research, defense and weapon analysis, and telecommunications. Because of its weight, a supercomputer is kept in a special room. Number 2 is mainframe computer. Mainframe computer are used for processing data and performing complex mathematical calculations. They have a larger storage capacity and can support a variety of peripherals. Mainframe computers are used as powerful data processors in large research institutions and organizations, such as banks, hospitals, and airports, which have large information processing needs. Number 3 is mini computer. Mini computers are also known as small-scale mainframes because they were a cheaper alternative to mainframes computer. Like mainframes computers, mini computers are used in business organizations, laboratories, research institutions, engineering firms, and banks. Lastly, we have microcomputer or personal computers. A microcomputer is the smallest, cheapest, and relatively least powerful type of computer. It is called microcomputer because its CPU is called microprocessor, which is very small compared to other type of computer. Microcomputer are commonly used in school, business enterprise, cyber cafe, homes, and many other places. Today, the processing power of microcomputers has increased to 3 cross that of mini computers and mainframes. Types of microcomputers. Microcomputers may be classified into desktop and portable computers. Desktop computers. A desktop are a common type of microcomputer designed to fit conveniently on top of typical office desk, hence the term desktop. Portable computers are microcomputers small enough to be held by hand, handheld, or placed on laps while walking, laptop. Examples of portable computers include laptop, tablets, and smartphones. Classification of computer according to their function. Regardless of size and processing power, a computer can be classified according to function they perform. In this case, we have servers, workstations, and embedded computers. Servers and workstations are general-purpose computers used to provide access to resources on a network, while embedded computer is special-purpose computer that are dedicated to a single task. Let's start with servers. A computer server is a specialized computer that provides resources, data, and services to other computer known as client over a network. It acts as a central point for managing and distributing resources, making it essential for various network and computing tasks. The main types of servers are web servers, application servers, file servers, database servers, and others. Workstation computer. Workstations is a powerful, specialized computer designed for demanding tasks like 3D rendering, CAD or CAM, and scientific analysis, typically used by single user. Workstations have more powerful components and generally more robust and reliable than standard desktop PC. Embedded computers. Embedded computers are computing devices designed for specific purpose. Generally, embedded computer has an operating system that only runs on a single application. Example of embedded computing devices: dishwashers, ATM machines, MP3 players, security systems, printers, oven, ultrasound machines, audio system, televisions, fax machines, and many others. Characteristics of computer. The following are the characteristics of computer. Number 1. Speed. Computer can carry out processing of instruction at a very high speed. Number 2. Accuracy. Computers are very precise in processing data as long as they are fed with correct data and instructions. Number 3. Versatility. A computer can perform more than one task at the same time. This is also called multitasking. Number 4. Reliability. A computer is highly reliable as long as it is fed with accurate data reliability. Number 5. Storage and power of remembering. Computer can store and reproduce information anytime because of its large secondary storage space. Number 6. Diligence. A computer is a machine, and therefore it does not suffer from human traits such as tiredness, bad attitudes, and mood swings. It also does not lose concentration after working continuously for a long time. Number last, artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is the ability of computer system or machine to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence (AI) is the ability of computer system or machine to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence, such as learning from data, problem solving, and understanding natural language. AI technologies include machine learning algorithms, neural networks, and expert systems. Using AI systems, applications span in industries like healthcare, finance, transportation, and entertainment, revolutionizing how tasks are automated and decisions are made. Why do we need computer knowledge? In today's digital world, computer knowledge is essential for both personal and professional life. Here are some of the main reasons why. Number 1. Job opportunities. Many jobs today require basic computer skills like typing, using Microsoft Office, emails, and many others. Advanced knowledge opens doors to careers in ICT, programming, design, data analysis, and many others. Number 2. Education. Computers help students and teachers access information, attend online classes, and use digital tools for learning. Research, assignment, and project are easier with computer skills. Number 3, communication. Knowing how to use emails, video calls like Zoom or Google Meet, and social medias help us to stay connected with others easily. Number 4, access to information. With a computer and internet, you can access global knowledge instantly. News, tutorials, books, and many others. Number 5, daily life skills. Computers are used for online banking, shopping, booking tickets, creating documents or presentations. Number 6, digital literacy. Understanding computers protects you from online scams, helps in managing privacy, and using technology safely. Number 7, boost creativity, innovation, and problem solving. You can create videos, music, graphics, or write books using a computer. Tools like Canva, Photoshop, or video editor makes creativity easier. Tools like Canva, Photoshop, or video editors make creativity easier. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you to understand different content related to computer. If you find this important, please help our class by subscribing, like, and share. And if you have an idea, don't hesitate to share it in comment section. Let's meet in next video.